Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. And so today's video, I'm going to be talking about feeling weird as a creator. Now, this is something that I think everybody's going to go through, especially if they've never done this before. And specifically for people like myself who really enjoy shooting videos outdoors, it really feels weird to do it. For the first, I would say, more than 100 times, at least for me, especially when there's a lot of people who are around you. So I have done a previous video where I talked about being comfortable with being uncomfortable. So if you wanted to see that, I will leave that in the description area below. You can watch it after this video. But then there's another side to it as well. And then this is the whole idea of just feeling weird, because this is something that, at least for now, isn't common, even though a lot of people are using their smartphones to create content, even though they don't feel like it's creating content. They do a lot of social media posts, doing videos, live streaming, and so forth. And they're actually doing the same things that you as a content creator would do in terms of creating or shooting things outside in public. But whenever you're doing this consistently as a creator, especially if you have like a camera where you're just like shooting videos outside, it definitely gets some weird looks from people. And in some cases, you might even get people who might be curious about what you are doing. Now, I can't tell you of an easy way to actually get around this weird feeling. I would just recommend that you just do it and get used to it. And then over time, as you're doing this, you're going to be a lot more comfortable, which is very similar to what I talked about before in my other video. But also, because you are a weird creator, you're doing something that most people wouldn't do. And that thing is overcoming a fear, I would say, of doing this, especially if it's out in public with other people. And this will actually help you out in many other ways, not just here as a creator on YouTube or any other place on the internet. It's just really going to allow you to be more comfortable with your weirdness as a creator. So those are my thoughts on how you can feel more comfortable being weird as a creator. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips for creators, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.